There is some deliciousness in there. I mean, it's sticky, it's sweet, it's familiar. There's a good hit of chili, there's some acidity from the limes. There's certainly a lot of flavour going on there. But the maple syrup's been lost in amongst this really heavy caramelisation. So there may indeed be a bottle of maple syrup in there, but I couldn't tell you that was maple syrup.
Time is absolutely flying. Eliza started maple comb and it's a really nice colour. All I have to do now is add the bicarb, give it a whisk, and we've got maple comb.
Really happy with how the honeycomb looks.
So I'm just going to wait for it to cool down before I can actually taste it, though.
Maple comb!
Right, pressure's on now, guys. 10 minutes to go. Come on.
Let's go.
Go, Ray. Come on, mate. Come on. Push it on.
Yeah, come on, Jess. Good work, Jess. Good work, Jess.
Carly did an absolutely phenomenal job to get the team back on track. Jess is the last person to cook in our team. I just hope she's the right person to finish this off.
Let's go. Come on, come on, come on.
I taste the sauce. It's got a lovely hit of maple syrup and it's got a really nice hot heat to it.
Good girl. Woo! There we go.
I'm really happy with the pancake. It looks good and I know Carly was confident with it. So I think they've done a really good job. I checked the oven and there's a beautiful piece of pork crackling. I'm just so relieved. It's going to be a really nice crunch to the salad. It's going to be banging.
No matter what it is, you gotta get it on the plate. 5 minutes to go.
You got this, Jess. Come on, Jess. Keep pushing. Good work, team. Go, Ray. Go, Ray. Go, Ray. Go. Yes, 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 yes. That looks sticky and delicious.
It's time to start plating up and I've got all my individual elements ready to go. I just have to get this ice cream out of the churner. I put the spoon into the ice cream and it's just set. Any softer and it would have been a disaster.
Yeah, beautiful.
Don't forget a single thing. That one thing could be the difference between being safe or going to elimination. 3 minutes to go.
You've got this, Sam. That looks amazing. Keep going, keep going. Push it, push it. Think about plating, Pete. Come on, think about plating.
We're running out of time, so I'm just praying that I've cooked it well. Pretty much just got to plate up the dish and do the final elements.
Prawns definitely need to while.
Come on, Ray.
Stop plating, stop plating, stop plating, stop plating.
We're stressing out, we're yelling at the screen. Time's ticking, Ray's moving like a sloth.
I'm playing for your place to see which looks better.
Come on, Ray. Black ball. Black ball, Ray.
So the crumb are going to make the foundation.
Aussie crumb. It's breaking it up.
The next element I want to put on is a quenelle of the ice cream.
Okay, get the pickle on.
Come on, Ray. Ice cream pickle.
And finish it off with some square pieces of bacon and a drizzle of the maple syrup.
Ray, the jelly, the jelly, the jelly, the jelly.
The jelly is in front of you, Ray. Ray, the jelly is sitting in front of you.
the jelly, the jelly, the jelly.
Jelly, Ray, come on.
It's pretty frustrating. There's a jelly in front of Ray. He's not putting it on the plate. He hasn't even looked at it yet.
Come on, jelly.
I can see the jelly on the monitor and Ray just keeps missing it. He keeps going straight past it.
Come on, Ray, the jelly.
Heavens to Bessie's, Ray, get the jelly on the plate.
Jelly. He obviously has missed it.
30 seconds, come on.
Come on, Pete, come on, Pete.
Ray, the jelly.
The jelly, Ray. Ray, the jelly.
Everyone is just screaming. We are absolutely over the moon. We can't believe we've pulled together this amazing dish from something that could have potentially sunk us all.
Make it beautiful. Come on, Jess.
We are just so happy. We're rejoicing. We worked as a team and we really fought on our feet today.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
team celebration is absolutely incredible. That was a really big team effort. Everyone cooked fantastically. Really excited with what we've done.
Oh, you legend.
Forgot the jelly.
We're yelling, jelly,
I'm worried about the sweetness in all the different elements.
Sorry, that was my fault.
Without the jelly, the dish is just going to miss one little texture element, and I hope that doesn't put us into elimination.
Right, guys, come to order. Your challenge was to cook a beautiful dish with maple syrup at its heart in 75 minutes in 15-minute blocks. Obviously, you don't want to be in the losing team, because if you are, you'll find yourself in elimination tomorrow. So let's see how you've done.
Let's taste the first dish. The yellow team.
The one thing playing on my mind is that we didn't have a clear idea for final dish, so I hope we've managed to bring it all together in the end.
In terms of what you all did, what on the plate belongs to you, Benjamin?
I did the ice cream.
I smoked the ice cream and did the foam.
I pickled the apples and made the bacon chips.
I did the maple comb and the twirl.
And I plated up.
Suppose better have a bit of apple. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby.
I love it. I think what you've done so cleverly is you've got all these bullies down the bottom of your garden. You've got the big flavour of that really aggressive honeycomb, the bacon, the caramel, and then everything else is so beautifully light. The ice cream itself is wonderfully light. The smoke echoes the bacon fantastically well. That foam is delicious. And the apple is absolutely crucial. That freshness, the crisp, is such a contrast, and it really brings the whole dish together. So what a great team effort. Well done.
Awesome team effort and familiar ingredients that pair with maple, bacon, maple, they go together. So suddenly you're already dragging us into the zone and making our palate understand that. You didn't know the setup of your team, 15 minutes, 45-second changeover. Wow, incredible stuff.
It just has amazing clarity. So from the start to the finish, everybody put their little touch on it, but they've thought about how the flavours go together, even down to the crispness of the apple and a little bit of that cheeky indulgence in the bacon. And maple syrup abounds, doesn't it? Like it's in everything, so it's great.
It's delicious. Well done, yellow team.
I'm ecstatic. I'm so happy for the team and so happy about the dish that we've put up. We've done a really good job today, and I'm so proud of everybody.
Next dish, blue team.
I'm a little bit worried about the pork. I hope that it retained its moisture while it sat on the bench for a while, and I'm hoping that the maple really shines through.
So who's going to tell us what the dish is?
Twice cooked maple pork. Got an Asian twist to it. We've got maple in the salad, and we've also got a maple sauce.
What we loved, to be honest, was when we came to your bench in the first few minutes, you said, yep, we're going to do sticky pork with maple and bao, which are the Chinese bun.
Yeah, look, I had a really clear idea in my mind, obviously, when I started, but this is a whole game of Chinese whispers in the kitchen. So obviously, not everything goes to plan.
Cooking today was like cooking by committee. And the stuff I love about this dish, the crackling, the spring onion pancake is fantastic, but little mistakes that have been made. By frying the pork off so early in the cook, it's been allowed to dry out on the bench, and it was beautiful when it came out of the fryer, but now it's a little bit gnarly, a little bit pulled.
Thank you.
Thank you. I just feel sick in the stomach right now. I really don't want our team to be in the bottom, and I'm just hoping, beyond hope, that we've done enough.
Next up, green team.
I think we worked really well as a team, but I'm just not really sure about the dish.
Benita, you kicked this challenge off.
Yes.
You pretty much set up the dish.
Yes.
What is it?
Singapore chili crab and prawn.
Is this what you set out to do from the get-go?
Yes, yes, I did, yes.
So what's in the bowl right now is exactly what was in your brain at the start?
Yes.
Great. Is it about maple syrup?
Yeah. We used a bottle.
Great.
There is some deliciousness in there. I mean, it's sticky, it's sweet, it's familiar. There's a good hit of chili, there's some acidity from the limes. There's certainly a lot of flavour going on there. But the maple syrup's been lost in amongst this really heavy caramelisation. So there may indeed be a bottle of maple syrup in there, but I couldn't tell you that was maple syrup.
I get a really tasty dish that I'd sit in front of and enjoy, but do I get maple syrup? I'm with Gary. I'd get sweetness. Thanks, guys.
After hearing the judges' words on our dish, I'm pretty sure we're going into elimination.